So, ayan, yung patatas na natin dito banda. Ayan, laki. Ayan guys, oh. Dalawa. Tatlo. Oh. Tatlong patatas. Oh, meron pa. Isa. Ayan, malaki. Yes. Ayan, laki. Ayan, tatlo. Sa isang puno lang yata. Ayan. Oh, there's one, but it's only one potatoes.
Oh, just this side one or all of it?
Which one? Oh, there's another one.
Just this side?
Yeah, just that side. And then, yay. Ayan. Oh, may maliit. Oops. Ayan guys, yung mga salad na na-harvest ko, tsaka yung patatas. Ayan. So, yung ito, susunod na naman. Ayan. Kukuha rin ako nito kasi masarap ito. This one is nice. Pang salad. Yan yung iba bukas na naman. So, ayan. So, mayroon ditong thyme. Ayan. Dill. Ito dill. Thyme. Yung may baso doon. Ayan. Yan mga kamatis. Ayan. Kamatis. Dill. Kamatis. Ayan. See you later.
See you later. Well, someone's cut this short. It needs to reach.
Rich, what? Yeah, can you water down here more? Yeah, and then tomorrow we harvest those. Ayan guys, magluluto ako ng aming dinner. Ayan, ito yung patatas na kuha namin. Ayan, ayan siya. So, ito yung aming dinner for tonight. Yung patatas, tsaka ito yung smoke na isda. So, ayan siya guys. Ayan. Pulang-pula siya. Ayan. It's red potatoes. Ayan. So, pero yung laman niya is ganyan pa rin. So, hihiwain ko siya guys. Tapos, hugasan. At ilalaga. Kasi ito yung papares ko sa isda. So, ayan na siya guys. Pakuluan. Ilalaga siya. Ayan. So, let's see kung ano ang kanyang lasa later. Kasi ano siya kaka-harvest lang. So, ayan na siya guys. Luto na. So, ito na guys, yung patatas. First time kong kumain ng patatas na kaka-harvest lang. So, tikman natin kung ano ang kanyang lasa. Malabo. Matawag sa amin is malabo, yung parang hindi ko ma-explain. Fluffy. Yan, fluffy tawag dito. Yan o. Yan. Sarap. Ang sarap niya guys. Super. Ayan, organic yan. Walang chemicals. Pure organic. Super sarap. Ayan. Super, 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 super sarap. Parang kaya kong ubusin. Ayan siya. Super sarap. Ayan, kinakain namin yung balat. Ayan guys, dito sa amin pag kami ang kumain ng patatas or kamote, ay kinakain namin lahat. Balat. Kasi dito yung nakukuha yung maraming vitamins. Ayan. Mga mineral. Maganda sa maganda yung yung balat ng patatas. Especially organic. So ayan. Super sarap. Ayan na guys, yung smoke haddock. Lalagay ko na sa oven. So ayan na guys, yung isda. Naggawa ako ng cheese sauce. Ayan, kumukulo-kulo pa. Patatas at ang ating gulay. So that's the dinner for tonight. So, ayan na siya guys. Dinner is complete. So, guys, ito na yung aming dinner. Ayan. So, super sarap. Cheese sauce. Potatoes. Natakam na ako. Ayan. Yung patatas talaga, yung pinaka highlight. Kasi sobrang niyang sarap. Ayan. So, kain! So, sa mga hindi pa nakapag-subscribe at bago lang sa aking channel, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. So, thank you so much guys at God bless everyone. So, here we are. You just came back from greenhouse.
Yeah, I'm planting some vegetables in the garden.
Yeah,
Vegetable
so
plants.
yeah, are you going to try your potatoes now? Yeah.
Oh, these are the ones we picked.
Yeah,
Oh,
yeah.
wow.
So that's
Look good.
there's a lot of cheese sauce in there, but
And we picked these early, didn't we? The leaves didn't die, yeah?
yeah.
Oh wow, very nice. Very
Yeah,
crispy.
it's really good, isn't it?
Mm.
Malabo.
Oh,
Yeah,
it's very
floppy.
yeah, that texture.
Yeah, that's the one. Okay.
Very nice, thanks.
Yeah.
I'll go sit down and eat this then.
Mm-hmm.